When I do any kind of design work, I love to work on paper. And this is great because just being able to check out rough ideas, just quick bits, just sketch and put ideas down is really fast. And I find that I can just have a great fluidity of ideas. If I was to use some software like Exure or even like Illustrator, I can use it pretty well, I can be pretty fast, but I can never be as fast as this. And that is a major bonus to having good ideas, because there's nothing in the way between your brain and the things coming out. But we've got a problem. These days we're relying on software like OneNote or Evernote to record our ideas, to share them between teams. And this is great because I can be working with someone in China, I say, hey, look at those ideas, send a link, and they see everything. But we need to find a way to get this into the computer. For that, I use Microsoft OneLens, and I'm going to show you how I do that. Okay, here we are, and you'll see bottom right is Office Lens, which is from Microsoft. I'm just going to go and open this up, and the first thing you'll see is like a camera window with a little box skipping around. What it's doing is it's looking for a document. So I'm just going to zoom out right here, little cable there, and you see it's identified the page. So get that right. Just tap there. So we've just captured the first page and it's cropped it exactly right. So that is great, that's the first page, but I've got more pages of my design. So bottom left, I'm going to click the add photo and we return to our image. I'm going to just go to the next page and let's get rid of that. Go through again, bring it out here. Good lighting obviously helps a lot. And I'm going to do this badly on purpose, so yeah, I'm going to try and... That's right. Let's have a look. Yeah, so what I've done there is I've purposely got the orange box to go outside of the image to show you a feature of crop. So I'm just going to go and click the crop button. From here, I just manually select the edges. So you might find that you're too small or too big, but this works pretty well. So I'm going to click done, and you can see that it changed perspective from slightly skewed to being the right size. So that's pretty cool. I can just go to the left, see the first page. Let's go and do another one. This is the third page of my series. I've only got 3 pages for this bit, so it's quite an easy bit of work. Let's try and get one. Now, you see what happened there? I clicked on the outside, and it focused on the wrong bit, making the white really bad. So I'm going to delete that and just go for another one. So here we go. Let's move this here. 1, 2, 3. There we are. So that's done the job pretty well. I can flip through. Now you might do something strange where you get something at a weird angle, so you can rotate the images round. You can do markup and various things at the top, but for now, this is my work. I'm quite happy with that. Click done. I've now got to choose where to save it. So I'm going to go for Microsoft OneNote. I'm going to choose where I save it, which is going to be, it's going to be the airport, the ideation, and I'm just going to call this, let's just call this test. So that's quite a simple thing. Click save, and it is now uploading to the cloud, so it's transferring. You can see that below all my other sketches, so you can see I've done lots of work recently in this app. And yeah, test is now uploaded, so let's go onto my Mac and have a look about where this is in OneNote. Here I am, back on my Mac, and just opening OneNote. So this is the airport folder as we were saving it to. Go to ideation, and at the very bottom we have test. These were the 3 images I took earlier. They're just in here, just like everything else I've done. Now, if it's not in here, all you have to do is go File, Sync this notebook, and that pulls it down from the cloud. But apart from that, it's absolutely perfect. So I've now got all my designs in my OneNote notebook, and just bear in mind, this can be as long as I like. It can be 10 pages, 20 pages, 30 pages. It's a great way to digitize your paperwork.